Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate. So finally, class 10 students, we have received the PDF Pakistan Studies book for class 10 for the English medium students. I have already made the video of the Urdu Mutala Pakistan class 10th. जिन स्टूडेंट्स ने मुताला पाकिस्तान उर्दू में रखी हुई है वो मेरे वो वाले वीडियोस देख सकते हैं जिसमें मुताला पाकिस्तान के सारे लेसन हमने शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन आंसर्स और उसके एमसीक्यू सॉल्व किए हुए हैं प्रॉपर हेडिंग्स के साथ. That is in Urdu Mutala Pakistan, and today we are going to start the English medium students Pak Studies class 10th. So students, you already know about that there are 8 units. First one is ideological basis of Pakistan. Second one is Pakistan movement and emergence of Pakistan. Third one is history of Pakistan. Fourth is Pakistan and world affairs. Fifth one is land and environment. Sixth is population, society and culture of Pakistan. Seventh is economic development of Pakistan. And number 8 is women's empowerment. So students, today lesson is about the unit number 1 आइडियोलॉजिकल बेसिस ऑफ पाकिस्तान. हम आज ये डिस्कस करेंगे, इसके एमसीक्यूज की मार्किंग करेंगे और शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हम प्रॉपरली हेडिंग्स के साथ मार्क करेंगे. ठीक है. So open the book in front of you. First we will discuss about the exercise and the exercise page number of your book, that is the 14. Here I will open. Yes. So first of all, students, mark the MCQs. On your book, you should have a highlighter in your hand to mark all the important MCQs and the short question answer. So the first one is 4 possible options are given for each statements. Mark on the correct options. So if you are new on my channel, please subscribe it, and if you like this video, please like, share and comment, and do subscribe it for my coming updates about all the units 1 to 8, short question answers, long question answers, and the MCQs. So the first MCQ you can see on the screen, the period of Congress ministries was, the right option is B, 1937 to 39. Second, in Lahore Resolution 1940, the presidential address was given by, that is Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. So third one is MU School College was established, that is A option is correct, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Number 4 is in 1867, while exposing the enmity of Hindus against Muslims, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan had clearly declared Muslims and Hindus are separate nations. Number 5 is the ideology of Pakistan is based on, that right option is D, Islamic ideology of life. Number 6 is in 1930 the ideas of a separate state for the Muslims was given by, and the B option is correct, Allama Muhammad Iqbal. Number 7 is by any definition of nationality, the Muslims are a separate nation. This is a statement of Quaid-e-Azam Rahmatullah Alayh. Alright students, so we have marked the MCQs. Now here you can see the short question answer. Students, first write the short question page number in front of each question. आप हर पेज के सामने उसका पेज नंबर मेंशन कर लो, then it will be easy for you to mark it and find out in your book. आप easily उसको mark कर लोगे अपने पेज से जब आपने पेज नंबर मेंशन किया होगा. So the first short is on page number 13. Second short is write 4 sources of ideology of Pakistan, that is on page number 3. Number 3 is what is meant by two-nation theory, that is on page number 10. Number 4 is when did the two-nation theory originate in the subcontinent, that is on page number 10. Number 5 is define the term ideology of Pakistan, that is page number 3. Number 6 is define Aqidah-e-Risala, that is on page number 7. Number 7 is what is meant by beliefs in the elements of the ideology, that is on page number 6. And number 8 is what was the purpose of establishing the East India Company, that is on page number 11. And then when and who released the famous pamphlet entitled Now or Never, that is on page number 11. And number 10 is what did Quaid-e-Azam Rahmatullah Alayh say about minorities, that is on page number 6. Alright students, so quickly write it down on your book in front of each question. So first we will take the start from the page number 13. So open the page number 13. Here I will show you. Alright, so here you can see, yes, this is the short one students. and that is while the question is, what did Quaid-e-Azam say when he inaugurated the State Bank on July 1st, 1948? Quaid-e-Azam ने क्या कहा था जब उन्होंने स्टेट बैंक का इफ्तिताह किया? So here you will mark, it will start from here and it will end here. While inaugurating the State Bank on 1st July 1944, Quaid-e-Azam said the economic system of West is creating unsolvable problems and has failed to do justice with people. We should present an economic system before the world which should be based on the true concept of Islam and social justice. यानी ये सारा कुछ कायदे-आज़म ने उसके इफ्तिताह के मौका पर, स्टेट बैंक के इफ्तिताह के मौका पर कहा था. एंड यू कैन मेक द हेडिंग स्टूडेंट्स, इनॉग्रेटिंग द स्टेट बैंक. आप लोगों ने हेडिंग्स के साथ शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर लिखना है. ऑलवेज राइट द हेडिंग और द शॉर्ट. जो क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया है आपने उसी के हेडिंग मेंशन करनी है. Okay, next we have the short 2, and the short 2 is on page number 3. Here I will open page number 3. Okay, so page number, this is the short 2. So the question is, write 4 sources of ideology of Pakistan. उन्होंने क्या कि पाकिस्तान के 4 sources आपने बताने हैं ideology of पाकिस्तान के. So students, you only have to mention the headings. आप लोगों ने सिर्फ जो headings है उनके name mention करने हैं. This is short 2, only headings. Sources of ideology. The first heading is common religion. Second one is common political objectives. थर्ड पॉइंट इज कॉमन एजुकेशनल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स. उन्होंने तो वैसे 4 का है, यहाँ पर 5 है. आप 5 याद कर लो. समटाइम्स अगर एक भूल भी जाती है तो यू कैन राइट इट डाउन, लर्न होगा आपको. Then number 4 is common economic objectives, and number 5 is common cultural objectives. Okay, these are 5 sources of ideology. This is short 2. So next we have the short 3, and the short 3 is on page number 10. Here you will open page number 10. Alright, here you can see the short 3 students. Short 3 is, the question is, what is meant by two nation theory? Two nation theory से क्या मुराद है? This is the answer. This is short 3. Two nation theory implies that the Hindus and Muslims are the two largest nations in the subcontinent. But these two nations have not been able to mix with each other. यानी दो मुस्लिम रियासतें हिंदू और मुसलमान हैं जो अलग रियासतें हैं बरसगीर पर, लेकिन ये दोनों नेशंस कभी भी मिक्स अप नहीं हो सकती. विच ईदर डिस्पाइट लिविंग टुगेदर फॉर सेंचुरी, जबकि वो सदियों से साथ रहती थी. सो द सेपरेट आइडेंटिटी, अलग शिनाख्त ऑफ द मुस्लिम इज द बेसिस ऑफ टू नेशन थ्योरी. ये दो कौमी नजरिए की बुनियाद है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज शॉर्ट 3. So next we have, यहीं पर है students, this is short 4 भी यहीं पर है. Okay, this is short 4. And the short 4 क्या है? That is, when did the two nation theory originates in the subcontinent? यानी बड़े सगीर में two nation theory originates means start कब हुई, इसका आगाज कब हुआ. So in the subcontinent, two nation theory began the arrival of the Muslims of the conquest of the Sindh by Muhammad bin Qasim. जब आए तब ये start हुई in 1712 में. The young Arab commander Muhammad bin Qasim defeated, उन्होंने राजा दाहिर को शिकस्त दी सिंध में. Some Arabs also came along with Muhammad bin Qasim for preaching of Islam. वो इस्लाम की तबलीग के लिए आए, and they settled permanently in Sindh and मुल्तान, और वो मुल्तान और सिंध में मुस्तकिल तौर पर रिहाइश पजीर हो गए. मोहम्मद बिन कासिम्स काइंडनेस, टॉलरेंस एंड जस्टिस impressed the locals so much that they considered him an avatar and deity. The preachers of Islam showed them, यानी आप एक बहुत अच्छे हुक्मरान थे और आपने किस तरह से यहाँ पर ओरिजिनेट दो कौमी नजरिए की इब्तिदा की मोहम्मद बिन कासिम ने 712 ईस्वी में. ओके, दिस इज शॉर्ट 4. So next we have the short 5, that is the define the term ideology of Pakistan. The page number is 3. Here you will open page number 3. Yes, this is the short 5 students. These 3 points are included in short 5. And the question is, define the term ideology of Pakistan. यानी पाकिस्तान की बुनियाद, नजरियाती बुनियाद आप बताएं. The ideology of Pakistan refers, there are 3 definitions students. आप इन तीनों definitions को point out कर लो, और ये आप चाहे इनमें से अगर आप एक या दो भी लिख देते हो तो it will be correct, लेकिन अगर आपको तीनों याद होंगी तो चेकर पर आपका impression ज़्यादा अच्छा पड़ेगा. And you can make the heading ideology of Pakistan की आप heading बना लो. This is also a heading ideology of Pakistan. Always sub short question answers ki students do make the headings of all the short question answers. Okay. So the point is the ideology of Pakistan refers to the attainment of a separate land in which Muslims of the subcontinent can preserve Islamic values. यानी इस तरह की रियासत होनी चाहिए कि जहाँ पर इस्लामिक दार हो in the light of the Quran and Sunnah, Quran और सुन्नत की रोशनी में and spend their lives under the glorious principle इस्लाम के असूलों के मुताबिक हम जिंदगी गुजार सकें. Second definition is the overall concept of Pakistan movement and the creation of Pakistan is called ideology of Pakistan. ठीक है, पाकिस्तान का नुक्ता नज़र, पाकिस्तान की तहरीक, जिसमें पाकिस्तान की तख्लीक के बारे में डिस्कशन हो, that is called the ideology of Pakistan. Third one is the ideology of Pakistan is that ideological basis under which the Muslims of the subcontinent struggle for their identity. यानी उन्होंने अपनी शराख्त के लिए, अपने हकूक के लिए, अपने अलहदा वतन के लिए कोशिश की. That is called the ideology of Pakistan. Okay, there are three definitions that is included in the short 5. Okay, next we have the short 6, and the short 6 is on page number 7. Here I will open page number 7. Alright, here you can see students short 6, and short 6 is define Aqeeda Risalat. Yani Aqeeda Risalat kya hai? So here you will write belief. First you will make the heading. Belief in the Risalat prophethood means believing in the Rasul's prophet in order to enter the realm of Islam. यानी रसूलों पर ईमान लाना. It is essential to accept the Risalat wholeheartedly. पूरे दिल से उनको कबूल करना है. No to doubt it anywhere. और किसी बारे का कोई शक व शुबात ना रखना. Believing in the Quran and the Risalat as the sources of guidance and the believing in Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam कि अल्लाह ताला के रसूल है. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam अल्लाह ताला के आखिरी रसूल है as the last Rasul, and believing that no Rasul will come after him. यानी उन पर ख़त्म नबूवत है, उनके बाद कोई नबी या रसूल नहीं आएगा. is an essential part of believing in the risalat and whoever denies it cannot be. जो इससे इनकार करता है वो कभी मुसलमान नहीं हो सकता. Okay, this is short 6. So next we have the short 7, that is on page number 6. Here I will show you 6. Alright, so this is the short 7. Students, short 7, belief. They are asking about in the question, what is meant by belief in the elements of the ideology? यानी ideology के नुक्ता नज़र से अकीदे की definition क्या है, अकीदा क्या है? So अकायद is belief include तौहीद, रिसालत, आखरत, and belief in angels and holy books. यानी सारी चीज़ों पर ईमान लाने को हम अकीदा कहते हैं. The sets of belief is called faith. इसको faith कहते हैं. ठीक है, तौहीद, रिसालत, आखरत और फरिश्तों पर ईमान लाना, आसमानी किताबों पर ईमान लाना, that is called the belief. And students, you can also add in it as Allah Almighty stated in Quran that inna Allah ala kulli shay'in qadir. तर्जुमा बेशक अल्लाह हर चीज पर पूरी तरह कादिर है. Okay, this is short 7. आप ये अगर जब आयत ऐड कर देते हो तो आपका एक अच्छा क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट हो जाता है. Okay, next we have that was the short 7. Short 8 is on page number 11. Here I will show you page 11. Okay, this is the short 9. Short 8 भी यहीं पर है और short 9 भी यहीं है. Students, you can see here. So the short 8 is, what was the purpose of establishing the East India Company? East India Company का बनाने का मकसद क्या था? So the East India Company was founded by the British in 1600. 1600 ईस्वी में ब्रिटिश ने, बरतानिया ने बनाई थी. The company used to formulate such economic policies in India that accrued the maximum financial benefits to the British. उन्होंने अपने फायदे के लिए, यानी ब्रिटिश ने अपने financial benefits के लिए इस कंपनी को बनाया था. Okay, this is the short 8. आप लोगों ने to the point लिखना है. So next we have the short 9. Short 9 is when and who released the famous pamphlet entitled Now and Never. यानी Now or Never का जो रिसाला है वो किसने और कब तख्लीक किया? Okay, release किया. So you will write here on January 28, 1930. तो यहाँ पर ही mention है, but students you will mention चौधरी रहमत अली. ही की जगह पर आप लिखोगे चौधरी रहमत अली released a pamphlet entitled Now or Never which proved to be a strong support for Pakistan movement. Thus, along with the Muslims of the subcontinent, other nations also became familiar with the word Pakistan. Okay. ये सारा आप नाउ एंड नेवर के रिसाले के बारे में बताओगे कि चौधरी रहमत अली ने तजवीज़ किया था और इसका पर्पस क्या था. दिस इज शॉर्ट 9. So next we have the last short, students, of your unit number 1, the ideology of Pakistan, and that is on the page number is 6. Here I will show you the page number is 6. Okay, this is the short 10, last short of our unit number 1. So the question is here, what did Quaid-e-Azam रहमतुल्लाह अलैह say about minorities? Minorities क्या होता है कि हमारे मुल्क में जो दूसरी अक़लियतें हैं, जो हिंदूज, मुस्लिम, क्रिश्चियंस या दूसरे कोई और मजहब से ताल्लुक रखने वाले हैं, उनको माइनॉरिटीज कहते हैं. So the first you will write the heading that Quaid-e-Azam said about the minorities. So Quaid-e-Azam had clearly stated that Pakistan would not be a theoretic but on an Islamic welfare state, यानी एक इस्लामी बहबूद रियासत है. हर here non Muslim will get equal status, यानी यहाँ पर जो गैर मुस्लिम है उनको भी equal right होगा, मिलेगा. With Muslim they will be able to breathe in a free and pleasant atmosphere, वो भी एक अच्छे खुशगवार माहौल में सांस ले सकते हैं. And have equal rights, उनके भी बराबर के हकूक हैं. And the requirements of tolerance and justice will be met, और उनको भी उसी तरह से सब्र तहम्मुल और इंसाफ दिया जाएगा. ये कायदे आज़म ने माइनॉरिटीज़ के बारे में कहा था. So students, we have completed in today's lesson the unit number 1, the MCQs of all the unit number 1, and the short question answers we have discussed about the headings and which important points we have to be careful when you are writing the short question answers. So students, if you are new on my channel, quickly subscribe it for my coming videos, because we will discuss about all the short and the long in detail with proper headings. So till the next lesson, in the next lesson students, we will discuss about the long question answers of this chapter. हम इस chapter के जो सारे लोग हैं वो mark करवाएंगे proper headings के साथ. So till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.